In this video, I'm going to show you how to make high quality videos like mine in CapCut. First, check out this preview. So, let's get started without wasting any time. First, import your clips into CapCut. Then go to Adjust and set contrast to 5% and saturation to 5%. After that, set sharpen to 100%, clarity to 15% and highlight to 10%. Next, go to filters and select clear 3. Then set its volume to 15%. After this, go to video effects and select 4K HDR. Then go to adjust and set glow to 0%, blur to 0%, sharpen to 37%, range to 20%, size to 11% and soft light to 10%. Finally, export it. Export the video and then open the Wink app. You can download this app from the Play Store. After that, click on New, then select your video from here. Now click on UHD and enhance it with Ultra HD. After this, the quality will become better. Then go to Adjust, set Sharpen to 100% and Clarity to 10%. And export it. If you found this video helpful, then like and subscribe. And tell in the comments which tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.